The stock market in 2026 is at an interesting crossroads. While many investors wait for the next headline, smart money, think institutional investors, hedge funds, and billionaires, is already positioning for the next big move. Today, we're breaking down 7 key investments they're buying right now and why these could outperform in the months and years ahead. First, artificial intelligence stocks are dominating attention. AI is no longer just hype, it's powering the future economy. Companies building AI chips, cloud infrastructure, and machine learning platforms are seeing explosive demand. Smart money is focusing on these leaders because they benefit no matter which AI application wins. As industries automate and scale, AI innovators are positioned for significant earnings growth. Second, energy transition investments are becoming critical. While oil and gas remain important, the real opportunity is in renewable energy, battery storage, and electric infrastructure. Governments are pouring billions into clean energy initiatives, and smart money is positioning in companies tied to solar, lithium, and grid modernization. This is a structural shift, not just a trend. Third, big tech remains a core holding. Even after years of growth, giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet continue generating massive cash flow. What's changing in 2026 is their evolution into AI, cloud computing, and digital ecosystems. Smart money isn't leaving big tech, they're doubling down, seeing it as a foundation for long-term portfolios. Fourth, healthcare innovation is booming. From biotech breakthroughs to AI-driven drug discovery, healthcare is entering a new era. With aging populations and global demand for advanced treatments, smart money is investing in companies shaping the future of medicine, not just today's profits, but tomorrow's breakthroughs. Fifth, commodities are gaining attention. In uncertain economic times, assets like gold, copper, and oil act as hedges. Metals tied to industrial growth and electrification are particularly attractive. Smart money is boosting exposure to commodities to protect portfolios and capture growth from global demand. Sixth, REITs, real estate investment trusts, are back in play. After challenges from rising interest rates, quality real estate assets are now undervalued. Smart money is buying properties in data centers, logistics, and residential housing. Finally, digital assets and blockchain technology continue to attract institutional interest. While volatile, cryptocurrencies and blockchain infrastructure are being adopted by financial institutions. Smart money isn't chasing hype, they're investing in long-term potential. The takeaway? Following trends in AI, energy, healthcare, real assets, or digital innovation can help you invest with intention. The stock market rewards those who anticipate the future, and in 2026, the biggest opportunities will be where smart money is already moving. The question is, will you follow early or wait until it's too late?